At DMAC, no two journeys look the same. Some start right out of high school. Others come back years later, balancing family, work, and everything in between.
The atmosphere here it's awesome. We've got a lot of diversity just in people, culture, ages, background, industry, and to see it all meshed together has been really neat. So we've got young folks, older folks, different backgrounds, people who want in renewable energy, people working in manufacturing factories.
Here, your education adapts to you.
I have always been the type of individual who likes to tinker with my hands. I like to take things apart, figure out how they're working, put them back together, and even fix them if there's something wrong with them.
In the Industrial Technician program, you'll learn to troubleshoot and repair everything from basic mechanical systems to the complex technologies that keep modern manufacturing running.
What draws me into maintenance work more than anything I've seen before is the ability to solve a problem. You see the problem, you follow the steps, and you eventually will figure it out regardless of how much it takes. And that's powerful to me.
And with competency-based education, you move forward by mastering real skills. You advance when you're ready, because progress isn't measured by hours, it's measured by understanding.
The biggest opportunity for students here, I believe, is being able to go straight into a career field. They get a lot of knowledge and skills, hands-on experience that really helps them, and it sets them apart with newer employers.
The good thing about the program is that it's self-paced. Yeah, you can come here and be as fast as you can or go with the amount of time that you have available. You have the flexibility to schedule your lab times.
Every lab, every lesson, every certificate moves you closer to the career you want. Because here, progress doesn't look the same for everyone. You decide how far you want to go and how fast you get there.
So I can actually take a lot more classes than you would normally take in a traditional week of college school. But this allows me to get through my stuff and then finish semester earlier.
The people, the professors, I think there's a lot of community here that it makes it so really good.
You're going to be challenged and you can work towards getting this diploma. You're going to build a skill set that's essentially going to be sought after for the rest of your career.
That's the power of learning built around you. Progress at your pace and a future made by you. Your path, your pace, your progress. Only at DMAC.